Okay guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Google document that I created. You're going to be submitting some names to me for the graduation program, and here's what you do. This file that you link to, or that I give you a link to, when you open it, it should look like this. And then you're going to see little drop downs. Okay, so whichever thing you're interested in. If you're interested in language certificates, you click on the one you want, hit next, sub-selection, hit next, and then you're directed to this list. This is a list of every graduating student in the grade 12 class. Okay, and you just simply check off the ones you want. When you're done, you scroll down to the very bottom and hit submit. If you were doing, for example, regional art certificates, okay, choose that one, hit next. Okay, pick whichever one you are looking at. So if you're dance, you hit next. And again, same list. All the legal names are from the same file. Scroll to the bottom and hit submit. Simple as that. Thanks guys. Bye.